In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Polygon Matic network. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin because, as we know, Bitcoin is king, guys. There is no question about that. By the way, guys, I am on my iPad, so this is very new to me. I want to try this out and see how this goes. Anyways, Matic network currently ranked 15. We got 850,000 people on the watch list. Currently trading at $2.30, guys. This thing has been absolutely exploding. I have been talking about Matic. This is my YouTube channel. I've been talking about Matic for quite some time now. 5 months, 6 months, 1 month ago. I made a lot. Look at that, 6 months. I made a lot of video about Matic network. In the previous, this is one of my all-time favorite coins. I actually got into this coin at 2 cents, guys, all the way right here. I got into this coin, and this is what essentially brought my YouTube account extremely high into where I am today. So thank you for that, everyone. Anyways, Polygon Matic network, a layer 2 protocol that helps the congested Ethereum network. Let's have a look. $16 billion market cap. We got $3 billion in volume, guys. That's 21% right here. That is extremely high. Let's dive into the charts real quick. But before we dive into the charts, I want to have a look at Bitcoin, because we know that Bitcoin is king, and there's no way I can do this video without having a look at Bitcoin. So first of all, we know right here, the trend is your friend, guys. The trend is your friend for Bitcoin, okay? And this pattern is actually the same pattern that we saw right here a few months ago. Let me turn that into the yellow one. Okay, we saw this pattern like that a couple months ago, and another one like this. This was approximately on the 20th of September, and now we're seeing this pattern again. Once again, this downwards trend on the trend line right here. So we are seeing a bunch of hit on the trend line. Okay, and as you guys know, two touches make a trend line. So this trend line and that trend line is actually a very strong trend line. And as we know, the trend is your friend until it bends. So until we break below that, I don't see Bitcoin coming. I don't see Bitcoin being bearish until then. So another thing I want to have a look at is on the weekly time frame. Let's take that out real quick. On the weekly time frame, okay, if we have a look at the EMA ribbon, exponential moving average, where are you? Let's collapse this real quick. Financials, templates. Like I said, guys, I'm very new on the iPad, but another thing I wanted to show you guys is the exponential moving average right here. We saw a nice little beautiful rejection at this area, okay? At this area, we saw a nice little beautiful rejection. If we go on the daily time frame, we are still below. We are still trending below the exponential moving average, and we are in a downward, I don't want to say because it's not a bull flag, but we are in a channel, in a descending channel. And as we know, guys, descending channels usually go and do something like this, okay? Usually. Guys, before anything, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's dive into Matic network real quick. Matic network currently up 7.72%, guys. We broke this strong resistance right here. We destroyed it. Now, where can we go from here? So one, okay, we are above the exponential moving average, which is fantastic. On the weekly time frame, look how beautiful this works, guys. Look how beautiful this works. We had a rejection right here. We had a rejection right here. We actually never fell below the exponential moving average, ever. We never fell below the exponential moving average, and this is why Matic is, well, not Matic, this is why, it just shows how powerful these EMA ribbons work. We saw 3 touches, and every time we came back and retouched these exponential moving average, we flew to the moon. I don't want to say flew to the moon, but we essentially exploded. So this was a 175% increase. Let's have a look right here. This was another 110% increase, and right here was a 60% increase, okay? And yes, the pumps will get smaller, guys, and that's because we are increasing in price. As we know, it's the more you increase in price, the harder it is to make a percentage. Because if I got it at 2 cents, which was all the way right here, like I mentioned, guys, you would have been up like 5,000%. Look at that, 4,000, 5,000%. If you were to hold up until now. Because this level right here meets up exactly with this level right now. So now another thing is that this coin right now, Matic network, is looking extremely bullish, because we indeed actually on the weekly time frame, we have not closed above this level right here. We have not closed above this level right here, or this level. The highest we closed on the weekly time frame was actually $1.49. So things on the weekly time frame are looking very, very good. On the monthly, I mean, the month just started, of course, so nothing too crazy to see over here. But on the daily, guys, we broke this very, very important key resistance right here. We had 2 touches, okay? 2 touches on that level. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, things are very good. Positive momentum. Things are looking very, very juicy right now, and everything's above the exponential moving average. So that being said, let's take that away. Let's collapse this real quick. Sorry guys, once again, I am very new to this and I am just getting used to it. Yeah, so let's have a look at the thing I wanted to have a look at is the moving averages, guys. Moving averages are also very, very important to me. We are seeing this nice little cross right here. So for those who don't know, this is actually a bull cross right here. When the 50 moving average crosses over the 200, beautiful move, positive move for a Matic network in my opinion. So we should be running right now from now on. Look at that, 200 moving average, still below it. Ever since we had that golden cross right here, we haven't even had a bear cross. Okay, so this is fantastic news for Matic network. For those of you guys who don't know, we had 2 touches right here on the 200 moving average. Let me move that away. Sorry, this is a little bit messy. I can't even go. Oh, I could go back actually. Okay, for the next video, I will know how to use that. Anyways, we had 2 beautiful touches right here. So let me redraw that for those of you guys who don't know. I'm just gonna make it more deep. We had 2 touches right here at the 200 moving average. We almost came back down right here and retested a couple days ago. So things are looking very, very juicy for Matic network. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back here one more time to retest that resistance before popping back up. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.